Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be choosing the winners for our last 3 giveaways, and that should have us all caught up. So yeah, but before we go on to the winners, I want to show you some new items that are now up at my shop. A lot of folks have private messaged me, have emailed me asking me if I am going to replenish my traveler's notebook section in my web store. And as much as I would love to put a bunch of them out there, I am so super busy designing stuff, designing new papers, designing new lines, and so but slowly but surely I am getting these items out there. And so yeah, just be patient with me. So anyhow, the first drawing that you see here is going to be for my last live video where I did an unboxing, and I added a bunch of items from my So Happy Spellbinders. Actually, no, it wasn't from the unboxing. It was from a live tutorial. I'm sorry. A live tutorial. And so the winner is, there you go, Debbie Vignola. She won a bag full of goodies, and Debbie just emailed me. You have my email address, so you know how to get a hold of me, so I can have your address. Now the second person is going to be for a digital download of my Llama Love collection, and here we go. And also please contact me. I do believe you have my email. If not, I'll go ahead and put it in my in the description area to this video. Excuse me. So it's Teresa. Congratulations again. Yeah, she also won a physical gift pack from me. And so I'll get that out to you in the mail this week, Teresa. I'm sorry, I just have been so busy. Now, the third and last drawing is for some papers as well. And as you can see me here, I'm just kind of like looking for the collection. I couldn't find it. I was like, okay, what is that last collection? And so this one is for this really cute collection. It's here we go. Hang on just a moment there. It's for Little Boy Blue scrapbook paper collection that is available at my website. And this winner is going to be for the digital download. And I'm just writing giveaways not over. And so, yeah, winner, please contact me. Once again, I'll put my email address in the description area of this video. And so, you may ask yourselves, how do I win? How do I enter your giveaways? You just pretty much have to be a visible subscriber, comment on my videos, and once in a while I'll hop on here with a live video, live tutorial, unboxing, whatever, and you know, I'll just start giving stuff away because my craft room is busting at the seams. But yeah, every time I come out here with a new flip through of a digital collection selling on my website, I will go ahead and do a drawing too. Thank you so very much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.